Okay, we're ready. Okay. Here's the Christmas princess. Okay, put her down, put her down, put her down. What happened over here? What is all that?
Uh-oh, Santa's not here.
Look at what he left for you. No, don't, no, wait, that's the big one. Okay.
Wait, open it. That's Dia. That's Dia.
That's Diaz. No, actually, that's yours.
Oh.
That's your first cup. It has your name on it.
Rebecca?
Yeah. Look at Santa ate all the cookies and milk that you left him.
Look at that. Yeah.
Wait, I want to open those presents.
Okay, I'll help you, okay? Well, maybe, I guess maybe you don't need too much help. Pull, baby, just rip it open. Hang on to, yeah, she did.
What?
Keep Sammy over there. And you can put, like, have her sit next to you on the couch, maybe.
Oh. Lay down.
A new strawberry shortcake toothbrush and a cup. Well, no, let's not open it. Look, we still have to open all these presents.
Lay down.
I haven't opened that one.
Okay, I'll see you in a few minutes, okay?